A lot of people don't know about CPS. They come to make sure you good, your house great, live in a great household, everything good, nothing wrong with you. Make sure you eat your clothing. That's what they come for. All that, what they do, say on the internet, they ain't gonna make them folks really do nothing. If they got real proof of you doing something, I don't know.
Because you ain't really did nothing to really jeopardize your livelihood. I mean, we see you on the internet, right? Doing things that the average 13, 12-year-old do on a daily basis, right? Do you feel like certain people kind of exploited you and took advantage of you by you not knowing? You do? Without mentioning names, right? And we talk about certain situations and we talk about being exploited. Is there some things that you would change if you can go back before